Hello, my name is Scott Marriott. I'm the Director of Distribution Services here at Tastefully Simple, located in Alexandria, Minnesota. Tastefully Simple is a direct selling company offering a wide variety of food products and gifts. We have over 20,000 independent consultants that sell our products at home parties. Over the last several years, our company has experienced some significant growth, and with that growth, we came to the realization that our warehouse management system, or WMS, could not efficiently manage our increasingly complex operation, and specifically the paths in which orders come into us. We fulfill orders through many different channels, or order paths. We can simultaneously pick and ship orders through a wholesale distribution or business-to-business channel, or based on our consultant's directive, we can ship straight to their client. There is also an e-commerce order path option. On top of this, we have a large seasonal swings in our order volume while needing to integrate our large on-site gift assembly business as well. For scale, we process approximately 1.6 million orders consisting of over 12 million units going into over 1 million shipping cartons annually. We also receive hundreds of truckload deliveries and complete all the necessary quality, put away, and replenishment processes as well. Along with the systems challenge of funneling varying order profiles through our single location, we also experienced a number of challenges in our fulfillment processes. Historically, we were limited to pushing all orders to be fulfilled into one pick line, which resulted in some significant bottlenecking with our conveyor system. We were also restricted in our ability to reposition or reslot different SKUs to address ergonomic and velocity changes. This resulted in picking, packing, and replenishment inefficiencies. In the spring of 2011, we partnered with Softeon and went live that September. Since that time, and due to Softeon's flexibility, we have experienced a significant number of improvements in our operation. Our team will walk through some of those highly impacted areas and share just a few of those victories we've accomplished with Softeon's partnership.
In the Tastefully Simple Distribution Center, one of our key performance indicators is pick rate. Since Softeon was implemented, we've seen a more than 50% increase in productivity. That's a huge victory. Thanks to Softeon, we've been given the flexibility to consider different order attributes: type, ship method, transit time, cube size, and use that information to create an environment that allows our team to do their work as efficiently as possible. The first step in this process is item setup. We ship SKUs of all different sizes, from large gift boxes to individual samples. In Softeon's SKU profile, we can predetermine what type of box a SKU should cube into to ease picking and packing. Next, we look at pick routes. With Softeon, we've been able to divide up our pick areas into multiple lines that can be reconfigured based on our order volume and unit profile. We can turn these lines on and off as needed, limit order cube size on a line, and change prioritization to control how orders filter through. With this tool, we've been able to make line adjustments on the fly to handle unexpected volume, as well as utilize our pick lines to ship consultant kits that have historically gone through a time-consuming assembly process. We've made better use of our labor hours and have managed situations that would have put us into overtime in the past. Orders interface into Softeon and are placed on auto waves based on criteria we have set: type, ship method, transit days, allocation, and the hour we wish to process. When we are out of inventory on an item, Softeon places orders into part allocation until we make a decision on how we want to process those orders. How many units are affected? How does that translate into transit days? Will product arrive in time so that we can process units and still meet our shipping commitment? With all the information Softeon provides, these questions are easy to answer.
Cycle count. Several key victories have been realized with the cycle counting process. First and foremost is inventory accuracy. We have been able to maintain an accuracy level of 99.8% since we started performing daily cycle counts. This is well above our auditor's requirements, and because of this, we were able to eliminate our year-end inventory count. This is a huge labor savings for us. Kitting. The kitting process has been an ideal fit for us. We do a great deal of assembly work, and this process has allowed us to track inventory and lot codes for each item associated with a specific build. Inventory is decremented at the workstation as each pallet is completed. This ensures that all inventory is accounted for at the completion of a work order. Lot traceability. Lot traceability has been a huge plus for the distribution center and our quality insurance team as well. Access and ease of reporting to track lot codes and potential issues has improved considerably over our previous warehouse management system. Reporting is more specific and much easier to retrieve. Replenishment. Directed replenishment and put away has improved our inventory management. It has allowed us to better support our picking process by having our replenishments performed on a timely basis. Replenishment process is specific to the quantity of units needed to fill each pick location, which has contributed greatly to our ability to maintain an inventory accuracy of 99.8%. Receiving. With Softeon, we can schedule and review all receiving appointments. The SKU profile process has been a huge benefit to the receiving team. We can select from multiple options to identify item-specific characteristics before the inventory arrives on the receiving floor.
Softeon has assisted in creating a method for storing and retrieving most of the operational data from our distribution processes in near real time. This has allowed for supplemental ad hoc reporting to be created internally as needed. In addition, we are able to model existing processes and proposed processes to promote continuous improvement. The results so far have been changes that have improved processes such as put away, replenishment, and order picking. With the amount of information that is now available thanks to Softeon, we have truly only just begun to scratch the surface for what we can accomplish.
Softeon has been an outstanding partner to work with from an IT perspective. In my 14 years of experience in IT, I have never worked with a better partner, and they have literally set the bar and become the benchmark for how all of our other vendors and applications are measured at Tastefully Simple. From a technical standpoint, the system is rock solid. We put it in 2011 and still haven't had a single application-related outage. It can be built to be as scalable and highly available as you need. But that's only a small part of the story. It's extremely rare to get the level of technical knowledge, flexibility, and customer service that we've received from Softeon. No matter what we've thrown at them, they have come up with a solution. Since I started working with Softeon, there are two things that resonate the most with me as giving them a leg up on everyone else. The first is their intricate knowledge of our systems. They have taken the time to understand all of our systems, our network, our integration points, and how the data flows throughout. Knowing their own system inside and out is great, but the level of effort they have put into understanding the rest of our environment is what makes them unsurpassed. The second thing I noted right away was their simple yet profound understanding of data. Every big thing we could dream up was, in Softeon's eyes, just a matter of extrapolating information from the data. It sounds fundamental, but they really are good at it. Connecting the dots between simply capturing data and making it useful isn't always easy, and it's something Softeon excels at. Oftentimes we identify areas in our distribution center that could be optimized to increase efficiency and reduce costs, and many times these represent potential changes that Softeon would have to make to accommodate our requests. These are always met with a "no problem, we can do that" answer. One such change was just this past year when we wanted to consolidate some of our distribution functions and move some shipping functionality from an aging third-party application into our Softeon system. They took the time to figure out what needed to be done, tested it thoroughly, and helped to create a staged rollout plan that went absolutely flawless. In the past, these types of efforts took massive amounts of planning and resources, often tying up internal project teams for months. But these types of quick wins for our business are changing the game at Tastefully Simple.
Thanks to Softeon's expertise and reliability, we've experienced many benefits in our distribution center. We've seen an overall throughput improvement of 20% and a 17% labor savings. And even though we have seasonal SKU turnover at 25%, our picking productivity has increased by 50%, which is partially due to the ease of pick slot configuration that is supported by Softeon. We've been able to maintain an inventory accuracy of 99.8%, and we successfully deployed over 600 configurations or enhancements to the system. We've also been able to leverage omni-channel distribution opportunities. So as you can see, from slotting to quality control to our everyday picking and packing, we found Softeon's partnership to be extremely vital to improving our ability to meet changing consultant and client needs, as well as helping us to continue to improve our internal efficiencies.